the Cabinet Secretary for Tourism and Wildlife Heritage, Penina Malonza, our PSs present, the Chairman of the Kenya Airports Authority, the CEO and founder of Aviadev Africa, investors, distinguished delegates, good morning. First and foremost, I want to give an apology for being late. It's not my habit. I'm an early riser. I keep time. From where I come from, they say time is money. And I want to apologize. I was late because of the exigencies of duty. My boss, President William Ruto, is out of the country. So I'm the guy who is in charge, so there is too much happening. I had to do quite a number of things that I normally don't do that the President does, and that delayed me a little bit. My apologies. On behalf of President William Ruto and the people of Kenya and the government of the Republic of Kenya, I welcome you to our wonderful city, Nairobi, and our great country, the Republic of Kenya. We hold this meeting on opportunities of Africa Airports investment in real estate when Kenyans are engaged in a robust debate on housing. This public debate emanates from the government's plan to provide decent and affordable housing to dignify our people, as well as create employment for more than 6 million young people who are unemployed. This meeting on diversification of revenue sources also takes place at a time that the aviation industry in Africa has been flying into turbulence over the last decade. In the past 3 years, for instance, the industry on the continent has registered more than 3.5 billion US dollar losses. One of the main reasons is the high cost of fuel, leading to instability and unpredictability